Do tornado sirens work in San Antonio?
It is a question many have asked, especially after February's storms where 4 tornadoes touched down in the San Antonio area. Today, an answer from Fire Chief Charles Hood. He recommended the city not spend millions of dollars on sirens. As the 19's Bill Barajas reports, Chief Hood says we should instead rely on weather alerting technology like smartphone apps.
The committee has met 4 times looking at sirens.
The conversation was over in minutes. The research presented during a public safety committee hearing backing up claims that sirens would not be beneficial.
They're not the big tornadoes that you're going to see in Kansas or in Oklahoma and Nebraska where they're picking up the cars and the cows and all of those things. These are very short-lived with winds of about 100 or 110 miles an hour. They happen very quickly. They go away very quickly.
The majority also happening in the evening, making it hard to detect and warn residents. Chief Hood says February's storms did result in significant damage, but there has not been a tornado-related death since the 80s.
We looked at the sirens, which we were looking at 159 sirens throughout the city at a cost of about $4 to $7 million and about $215,000 annually that would take for us to maintain them. And if you look at what happened in Dallas recently where their system was hacked, again, it doesn't seem beneficial for us.
In the case of tornadoes, Chief Hood says everyone should have a plan and an emergency kit along with their phones.
So by having your phone, by having the apps available, by maybe even having a weather radio, those are the things that are going to keep you safe.
The siren option was first brought up back in 2012, but the conversation ended with the same result. Chief Hood says he doesn't expect to hear more on the issue anytime soon. Bill Barajas, KSAT 12 News.